Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Audible account to Kindle, full guide step by step clearly. To connect your Audible account to your Kindle, start by ensuring your devices are charged and connected to Wi-Fi. First, open your Kindle device. Navigate to the home screen. Next, tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, select My Account. Here, you will see an option for linked accounts. Choose that option to start. Now, scroll to find the Audible section. Tap on Link Audible Account. You will be prompted to enter your Amazon account credentials. Input your email address and password linked to your Audible account. Once entered, tap Sign In. If successful, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, return to the home screen. To access your Audible library, tap the menu icon. Select Audible from the list of options. Here, you will find all your Audible titles available for listening. Now you can start enjoying your audiobooks directly on your Kindle. If you encounter any issues during the process, check your internet connection. Ensure that both your Kindle and Audible account are active. You can also try restarting your Kindle if problems persist. Once linked, managing your audiobook library becomes easy and convenient. Enjoy your reading and listening experience seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.